Morning, sugars. Did you wake up? Go back to bed, love. Yes, honey. Okay, time to read a book. Bye, wake up. It's time for a book. Wanna go read a book with the kiddo? Come on, let's go. Let's go read a book.